Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to guide you through the process of activating affiliate links through the Amazon Associates program, enabling you to earn money on every referral you make. Follow this step-by-step guide to get started on your journey to affiliate marketing success. Step 1. Sign up for Amazon Associates. 1. Visit the Amazon Associates website. Go to the official Amazon Associates page. 2. Click on Join Now for free. This will take you to the registration page. 3. Log in to your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you'll need to create one. 4. Complete your profile. Fill out the required fields including your account information, preferred store ID, and how you plan to use the affiliate links. Step 2. Set up your payment information. 1. Choose your payment method. You can select how you wish to receive your earnings, either through direct deposit, Amazon gift cards, or checks. 2. Tax information. Provide the necessary tax information as required by Amazon. This is crucial to ensure you comply with tax regulations. Step 3. Create your affiliate links. 1. Search for products. Use the search bar to find products relevant to your blog or channel. 2. Select the product. Click on the product you want to promote. 3. Get your link. Once on the product page, click on the Get Link button. You can choose between text links, image links, or text with image links. Step 4. Customize your affiliate links. 1. Shorten your links. Amazon allows you to shorten links for easier sharing. Click on the Short Link option to make the URL more manageable. 2. Select your text link options. You can customize the link color and size to better fit your platform's design. Step 5. Promote your affiliate links. 1. Embed links in content. Use the links in your articles, social media posts, or video descriptions. 2. Share on various platforms. Promote your affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, Instagram, or any platform where you have an audience. Step 6. Monitor your performance. 1. Check your reports. Use the Amazon Associates dashboard to track clicks and conversions on your affiliate links. 2. Optimize your strategy. Based on your reports, identify which products and strategies work best and adjust your approach as necessary. Step 7. Adhere to Amazon Associates policies. 1. Follow the guidelines. Ensure that you comply with Amazon's operating agreement and policies regarding affiliate linking to avoid account termination. 2. Disclose your links. It's crucial to inform your audience that the links are affiliate links. This transparency builds trust and complies with legal requirements. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content on affiliate marketing and more. Happy linking!